Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, I make content about New York City and my life living here, and what kind of New York City YouTuber would I be if I did not vlog this crazy snowstorm that we are apparently about to get. So it's currently Friday at about 6 p.m. and this morning there were flurries. I was out walking around earlier, maybe around 3:30 or 4, and there were some flurries. I tried to get some footage of it. I'll put B-roll here, but like I'm not even sure that you can see that it's snowing in that footage. I was very light, but there was a lot of salt on the ground that I saw. Like they're clearly making preparations. So last year when there was a huge snowstorm here in the city, I did vlog that storm, and it honestly, it still picks up some views today. That video did pretty well, so clearly that's something that you guys are interested in. So let's get some more snowstorms. Last year's snowstorm, I was like very excited about it. I was excited to go out and see the winter wonderland and whatnot, which was kind of out of character for me because I hate winter, I hate cold, I don't love snow. And this year I'm kind of back in that mindset. Like, I don't know, it'll be cool to see what happens, but I'm also just kind of like, ugh. I'm not sure what the situation here is going to be tomorrow. If the trains are running normally and everything, I'm thinking I might go into Manhattan and try to hit some of the touristy spots. But, you know, like I said, I don't know what the situation is. Public transportation might not be great tomorrow and I might just have to walk around Brooklyn. But whatever happens, we're gonna see some snow, and I will keep you posted and update you on the trajectory of that. I think by late tonight, it's supposed to have kicked in pretty hard. I think it's gonna really start around 9 or so. Yeah, we got these big windows here. I am kind of excited to see a big snow out my big windows for the first time. So that'll be cool, and I will keep you posted. But now I'm gonna go have some meatballs for dinner because yum. Oh my God, yes, get in my belly. Recipe and description. Okay guys, it is 7:41 and we have a wee dusting of snow out there. You can kind of see it a little bit. Nothing crazy yet, but it's coming down. I'm in bed, getting ready to go to sleep, and it looks so bright out there from the snow. That's crazy. Okay, good night. It's so crazy how buildings that are usually really clear get so hidden, especially the tops of the really tall ones. Rory and I are just here snuggling and enjoying the warmth of the apartment, and I'm thinking about how pretty soon I'm gonna have to go out there and film it. It is currently 16 degrees outside. There's a ton of snow. The wind is whipping, and yeah, in here seems pretty cozy. I'm excited though. I don't know. I'm excited to go out and get the footage. I'm dreading it a little bit physically, but it's gonna be good footage. I'm actually going to be going to Times Square today to get footage, and I don't love Times Square. It takes a lot to get me to go to Times Square, but I don't know. I just thought that would be a good place to film the snow, and Ross works very close to Times Square. So I'm gonna go up there and see him and get dinner with him in between shows because yes, theater is still happening, the show must go on and all of that. I'll keep you posted on how many people actually show up to the 2 shows today, because I was like, are people really gonna come out in this and go see a show? But I will have him let us know later. For now though, I'm just gonna keep snuggling on the couch with Rory and being warm. Ma'am, are you for real right now? Are you serious? Okay, I'm getting ready to venture out and I'm getting clothes out, and we've got 2 layers each. We got jeans and leggings to put under the jeans, and then this warm fuzzy red thing with like a thin black long sleeve under it. I will also be wearing these snow boots and very thick pair of socks, as well as a hat and maybe a scarf. We'll see. My shirt has a turtleneck, but it would be nice to be able to pull the scarf up around my face. Although I'll probably just wear my mask. You know, this time of year, the masks are nice for staying warm. You know, it's like, yes, we gotta protect from COVID, that's great, but the warmth is a great side effect. I pulled the socks up over the leggings just to make sure that there's absolutely no way that my feet and ankles are gonna get cold. Okay, so I just remembered something from last year's snowstorm vlog, and it cracked myself up because, okay, I was getting ready to put a little bit of makeup on. Not a whole lot, because I'm gonna go out in the snow and I'm gonna be wearing a face mask and a hat, like. But typically, even when I go out without makeup on, which I do a lot, like I'm really not somebody who has to have makeup on. You know, I typically wear makeup, but like not a whole lot, and I don't have an issue with being seen without makeup on. As you guys know, if you watch my vlogs, you see me without makeup on all the time. But typically when I go out, even if I'm not like really wearing a full face of makeup, I will still do my eyebrows and mascara, especially with the mask, you know, because that's literally all that's showing. But I started to put mascara on, and I was just hit with this memory of last year's snowstorm vlog where I was wearing makeup and ended up with mascara like all down my face from being out in the wind and snow. And I'm gonna insert a clip of that here if you haven't seen it, or if you weren't around back then. There are a lot more of you now than there were back then. Huh, cool. I look so puffy, and I've got some serious lumberjack vibes going on right now, but we're ready. We're gonna go do it. I'm gonna put on my red gloves and my matching red and black scarf and my black face mask and my black coat, and we're gonna go. Oh, you know, when you're wearing 23 layers of clothing and you get an itch. My back itches so bad. And kind of dirty and gross. I feel like I should have come earlier in the day if I wanted to see it pretty, so that's my bad. But yeah, there are still people out. There are people here taking pictures, getting Broadway tickets back there, so the city is still on the move. Disney characters are still doing their thing. I just saw them grab a lady and like pull her into this like 3-character hug. It was Elmo, Hulk, and Minnie, and they like pull this woman in, and I just hear her, she's clearly a tourist, and she's like, no, I don't have cash. And I'm like, get your hands off of her. Disgusting. The sidewalks are pretty well cleared at this point. It's almost 4:30. It appears to have stopped snowing really as well. It's like a few flakes are coming down every now and again, but the bulk of it seems to be done. It's good. Finally warming up. We're in Westway Diner and I gotta go eat this burger. My camera's shaking because my hands are shaking. Ah. Okay, hi. So that was fun. I'm home. We had dinner at the Westway Diner. It was pretty good. Burger, okay. My meal was like pretty good, but nothing to write home about. The cheesecake though was fantastic. Would recommend the cheesecake. But also, like I was telling Ross when I met up with him, I would have gone anywhere that was warm. I did not care. I just wanted to be warm. It is frigid outside. Last year when we had the snowstorm, it was cold, but I feel like it wasn't freezing like this. And I was honestly a little bit disappointed, and it's probably my fault. I should have gone out earlier, but you know, by the time I got there, everything was a little gross looking. I hope you enjoyed seeing it anyway. Like, it was cool to see all the people out taking pictures and enjoying the snow. You know, it's kind of neat how New York doesn't shut down because of snow. You know, everything's still going. Trains were still on time. People were still doing their thing. Tourists were still touristing. Like, it doesn't stop. By the way, Ross said that there were in fact people at the matinee of the show today. So people are still doing theater. it's all still happening. But I am going to spend the rest of my evening doing some major, like, stereotypical self-care stuff. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm going to read a book in the bath. I am going to moisturize my whole face and body. I'm going to set up my bullet journal for February. Like, it's just gonna be a nice, relaxing rest of the evening. Oh, also the video I posted today is having a car in NYC worth it that featured Action Kid, Sierra, Alexis, and Pedro and Ross. You guys really seem to be liking that. It's doing very well, and I'm so glad. I'm really proud of that video. So if you haven't watched that one yet, please go watch it. I really like it. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me out and helps the YouTube algorithm to know to push my videos out to more people. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new New York City and lifestyle-based content at least weekly, and I will see you in the next one.